Cryssberry Reviews tips once again. So today our product for review is Chefman Gas Grill. So they say you can actually grill chicken, you can make naan and many more stuffs like that. So let's see how practical it is. I did find some difficulties while using it. So I'm going to show you what they were and the solution I found. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and watch the video till the end. So let's go. So here this is the packing of the Chefman Gas Grill, which we can use on the stove top to grill chicken, vegetables, paneer and much more. So let's see the product now. So this is a gas grill pan with a non-stick coating. So this is the bottom of it. And then we have this drip tray. The bottom has this marking to fit on the stove. So other accessories we are getting is 4 skewers, 4 metal skewers. So now let's place it on the stove. See, it doesn't fit on my stove properly. If you accidentally happen to push it like this, it will fall off. So that's not safe. So what I did is I'm using a stand like this, a normal stand that you use for vessels. So I'll just put the stand on the stove before placing the Chefman grill. So now we will pour water into the drip tray. So always make sure that there is enough water inside. Don't pour too much water. You can see the rim there, right? So you have to pour the water until it fills up to the rim. Not more than that. Okay, now, so let's start our cooking process. For that, first I'll preheat this grill for about 3 minutes on medium flame, and then I'll apply some oil on top. Though it's non-stick, according to manual they are asking to apply oil like this. So now we will prepare our chicken. So I have already marinated the chicken. So if you want a recipe, please check the link in the description box. I'll place it carefully. And always remember to cook this on low medium flame. And here they are also providing an instruction manual like this. It's just the basic instructions they are giving on this. So that's the reason I'm making this detailed video, so that it will be helpful for you. Okay, so now after 5 minutes we will just flip it over. So what I'm doing is every 5 minutes I flipped it over to see if it's cooked. So here you can see nice grill marks appearing on the chicken, right? See? So now let me show you the inside part of the chicken. See, it's nicely cooked. So check with a fork on both the sides of the chicken and make sure it's cooked evenly on both sides. So this glove also came along with the product. So now our chicken is done. See, it has nice grill marks on it, and it's really well cooked. It's now easily coming out of the skewers. Beautiful and ready to eat. So now let me show you the drip tray after cooking. See, all the water from the chicken has dripped into this tray. It took me about 20 minutes to grill the chicken on the stove top, and that's not bad. So if you like the product and if you wish to purchase it, please check the link in the description box. And if you like the video, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. See you soon.